I'll be analyzing Raymond Smollyan's short story An Unfortunate Dualist through the lens of Descartes' substance dualism, a central topic from our Philosophy 110 course. The story is about a man who believes, like Descartes, that the mind and body are two completely separate substances. This man suffers intensely and wants to end his misery. Body won't commit suicide because he's afraid it might be morally wrong or lead to eternal punishment. Then he hears about a miracle drug. It doesn't harm the body, but it annihilates the soul, removing the mind entirely. After taking it, the person behaves exactly the same, but supposedly has no concise experience. Excited by this loophole, the duelist planned to take the drug the next day. But that night, a friend sneaks in and secretly injects him with the drug. The next morning, his body wakes up soullessly and goes to buy a drug anyway. He takes it again and later says, "Damn it, this stuff hasn't helped me at all. I still obviously have a soul and I'm suffering as much as ever." The twist is, if the drug worked, who is still doing the suffering? The story brilliantly critiques Cartesian dualism, which we study in the February 13 lecture. Descartes' belief in the mind, the immaterial and distinct from the body, using arguments like the argument from the doubt and argument from diversity in slide 14 to 28. But the story exposes a contradiction. If the soul is truly gone, yet the body still talks about pain and behaves like it's suffering, that implies mental states aren't actually separate from the physical behavior. This ties into a problem of interaction, which Prince Elizabeth raised. She questioned how an immaterial soul could ever cause the body to move. February 13, slide 47 to 53. Samoya's story adds, even if you erase the mind, the person seems to go on unchanged. That makes dualism look pretty shaky. The story also connects with the logical behaviorism from February 18 and 20 lectures. Think of Gilbert Ryle's idea that the mind is just a way of describing behavioral dispositions, what people are likely to do. In the story, the dualist's behavior stays in the same even without a soul, reinforcing Ryle's claim that mental state may not be mysterious inner entice at all. But the story also raised a deeper question. If someone acts like they're in pain, are they really in pain? Is behavior all that matters? This connects with the Daniel Dennis thought experience about Smith and Jones, discussed in the February 20 slides 67 to 90. They behave the same under surgery, but one is unconscious and the other is fully aware on agony. Small Yasuri makes a similar point. Behavior alone cannot explain subjective experience, what it feels like from the inside. So, in the end, an unfortunate dualist is more than a clever title. It's a powerful critique of dualism and a challenge for any theory of mind that tries to ignore conciseness. Thank you for watching, and this is the references.